In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the image analysis feature on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DeepSeek AI application on your device. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the new chat menu. Now here within the chat page, you have three different modes. Inside of instant mode, you can tap on the plus icon and then use your camera to provide an image, or you can also upload a document or a photo from your gallery. Apart from the instant mode, you can also go into the vision mode, which is strictly dedicated to images. Once again, you can use your camera to provide a photo or upload one from your gallery. First, I'm going to upload a painting. Then I'm going to ask whether this is painted by a human or AI generated. Then I can simply ask this question, and now the DeepSeek AI will analyze the image and provide its response. Here the AI engine is telling me that this image is AI generated, which is true. Now I'm going to upload another image of a city skyline. Then I'm going to ask, which city is this? Let's see if it can find out. It may take some time depending upon the complexity of the task. And here the AI engine is telling me that this image is the New York City skyline. Let me know in the comment section if it is correct. And that is how you can use the image analysis feature on the DeepSeek AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.